Hello guys, welcome again. I want to tell you something. This is actually not to scare you, but it is an information you should have. Yes. Do you know that a fat animal actually lives on your eyelashes? This one, there is one fat animal that live on our eyelashes. Yes. Even you watching this video, your own eyelashes, but you cannot see them, of course, except with microscope. So this animal is called Demodex. So Demodex is a fat 8-legged mite that lives on human eyelashes. Yes, that is where they live. So they are very tiny and they crawl around your eyes, eating up oily secretions from your face. Yes, you see those oily secretions from your face? Yes, some animals are interested in them and they crawl around your eyes, eating them up. Yes, that is their food. And they also eat dead skin around the eyelashes. So guys, these animals eat until they blow themselves up. Yes, and when they blow up, they are scattered all over your face. Well, you know the good news, they are actually not harmful. Yes. So almost every animal on earth has Demodex. Yes. Now, of the 65 species of that animal that exist, two live on humans. Yes, and the two of them is Folliculorum and brevis. Folliculorum and brevis. So some people refer to them as eyelashes mites. Yes. So what happens is if you host so many of them, they can irritate your eyes. So Demodex is derived from Greek words demos, which means fat, and dex, which means wood worm. So they also feed on hormones that build up around the hair follicles of your eyes. You can touch them, those hair follicles. Look at them very well. So they enjoy staying there. So they are more common in men. Yes, they are more common in males than females, and usually, especially between ages 20 and 30. So they are very tiny. Like I said earlier, for you to see them, you need a microscope. But guys, don't be afraid. They are our friends too. How do you feel about this information? The first time I came across it, I was like, "Ouch, what is this? My eye, my precious eyes." Guys, thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe, put on the notification bell, comment, and also share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.